Now everything is a token system in ChatGPT, and if we talk about the API, you will be charged basis on the tokens. So you need to understand that the token thing. So I think this topic can come forward in the next subsequent videos. But here is the example. There is a tokenizer system which is provided by ChatGPT, wherein you can write whatever text you want and see how many tokens it is eating. So I am going to Bombay today. This is what I have written, and it has clearly mentioned that it is going to eat my 8 tokens, and there are 27 characters. At the bottom you see it has shown in the different colors. These are the tokens. You see Bombay is not a one token. BOMB is one token and AY is a different token. So different color. Even it has considered the space also. You see at the last I have given the space and it has considered the space also here. So I is one token, AM is another token, something like that. So this will come in the picture whenever you start using API, because it's not a free, and you will be charged basis on whatever number of tokens you are using.